much are you worried that turnaround isn't going to continue given the low energy prices?
As you said, I mean, we saw a good market last year. In Q3, we were up 26% in revenue. Gross profit was up 50%, and a big swing in the debt from in 1.3 billion euros. So a good financial performance, and we saw a good market last year compared to the year before. Still haven't closed the book yet and see exactly, but we saw low mid-single digit growth in the overall market, and I expect that we will see growth in our market this year as well, not at the same level as last year, but we will see a growing market.
I'm going to ask a very simple question. It may have a very simple answer. Why won't you see the same growth this year?
No, basically because we came from a low 13. Yeah. So it's, of course, the relative scale. I mean, on a megawatt level, we will grow the overall market.
Yeah, big year for climate. Paris 2015 could be as big as COP15 minutes saying, but is the impetus there at $47, $48 a barrel, the same impetus we had at $110 a barrel? Because there are those out there who don't care about climate change. They just want reliable sources of energy that are cheaper than hydrocarbons, or as an alternative to Russian supply, to Middle Eastern supply. Climate is an additional issue as well. But at the current levels, do you fear that there will be complacency about climate talks?
Yeah, I think first of all, the oil price is of course the big headline news, and but if you look at our business, it's electricity generation.
Sure.
And actually today, about 5% of electricity generation comes from oil only.
Sure, but I mean other commodities, gas prices coming, everything's coming.
Yeah, so that's of course the short answer. The long answer is of course what you say. I mean, gas prices, coal prices is of course influencing our business as well. On the other hand, we also have positive. Transportation cost is a large part of the cost for our business that goes down with oil. You have other commodities, steel, copper, also coming down for us. So, I mean, that bigger question is, of course, around the macroeconomy, the volatility, but remember, wind is free in all currencies, so there's no volatility.
It's not free if the wind blows too fast.